Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I'm your mentor Shikha. Today we will create a beautiful landscape with tulip flowers. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. और हाँ, next time इस beautiful scene को देख के लग रहा है कि हमें painting कहीं outdoor करनी चाहिए. तो are you guys ready? Let's start. Today we are making a beautiful scene where we'll show a lot of tulips. So it's like tulips in nature is what we will start today. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe our new channel Lux on the Trail for all the travel, musty and fun. So let's start with it. To start with it, as we are making it in a stylized form, so I'm just making random lines for the sky. Just randomly, we will put some lines here and there just to give a beautiful effect of the sky. And the rest of the area will make the tulips. So our drawing is done and we need poster colors to start the colors. And we'll give different shades of blue, peach, pink for the sky. Just play with colors. You can add n number of shades to the sky. So when we enjoy and when we see and observe the sky, it's not that it's only blue, it has different shades in it at times. So you can create these shades yourself. Just creating some water and then we will be creating some grassland. Now for the tulips, first we'll do the tulips and then the greener part. You can choose any color for the tulips, like pink tulips. So I am taking this, I have this fluorescent pink color. I'll be using this and I'll be creating the shades with this. I have this fluorescent pink color. We'll add 2 to 3 shades to it. We'll add some white to it. You can take any color for the tulips, like you can create yellow tulips, you can take red tulips, or simple pink tulips you can create. I'm just adding some depth with the darker tone. I've mixed the same purple in the tone just to add some depth to the painting, to the flowers. Now we'll add the shades of green all around. So the greenery, whatever shades of green you have, just take them out. For the lighter tone, we can always mix the yellow color. Don't leave any white space, just fill the area with whatever green you have. And then with a black pen, we'll just give a highlight to it. We'll just highlight the green area and the leaf. Remove the tape and show. I'll just remove the tape and show you how it will look. This is how our painting is looking. So this is our beautiful landscape. Do give it a try. It's very easy to create. And of course share it on our Insta and Facebook page. And as I was talking to you, next time कुछ different करते हैं, outdoors चलते हैं. So do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.